In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Streisand app connection not working. So the app is right here. So the first option is go to settings, go to subscription, and press update on open. And then just restart the app. You want to press this and then restart the app. And it's gonna automatically update your subscription every time you open the app. Next, the second option is routing. You wanna go to routing, enable if you can. If you can't, just leave it, and then press settings, press assets, and then press auto update. And then you're gonna press update all. Okay, and then restart the app again, and it should work. Number 3 is just simply try a different server. If the server you're on doesn't work, try a different server. If you only have one, you just like go to try finding a new, try importing a new config. Okay, next, just restart your iPhone. That'll probably fix it the most. And if none of that works, just re-import your subscription. So you import it from here, press do any of these 3 methods, and yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.